by e-commerce businesses. Strap in, because it's going to be a wild ride. Hey there, e-commerce enthusiasts. It's no secret that the e-commerce landscape is booming, but with great opportunity come great challenges. Let's break down some of the most pressing issues facing e-commerce businesses today. You've just launched your e-commerce store, filled with top-notch products and a sleek website design. But wait, what's this? Your competitors are offering similar products at a lower price point. Sound familiar? Welcome to the world of cutthroat competition in e-commerce. Competition is fierce in the e-commerce space, with new players entering the market every day. To stay ahead of the curve, businesses must constantly innovate, differentiate their offerings, and provide exceptional customer service. Cybersecurity. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your e-commerce website has been hacked, sensitive customer information has been compromised, and your reputation has been tarnished. Cybersecurity threats are a harsh reality for e-commerce businesses, posing a significant challenge in an increasingly digital world. Protecting customer data and securing transactions is paramount for e-commerce businesses. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures, such as encryption protocols and regular security audits, is non-negotiable in today's landscape. Logistics and fulfillment are also challenging. You've received an influx of orders for your best-selling product, but now comes the tricky part, getting those orders into the hands of your customers in a timely manner. Logistics and fulfillment present a major challenge for e-commerce businesses, especially as customer expectations for fast and reliable shipping continue to rise. For that reason, efficient logistics and fulfillment operations are the backbone of any successful e-commerce venture. From optimizing inventory management to partnering with reliable shipping carriers, businesses must streamline their processes to ensure seamless order fulfillment. That is why the world of e-commerce is rife with challenges, from fierce competition to cybersecurity threats and logistical hurdles. However, with strategic planning, innovative thinking, and a commitment to excellence, businesses can overcome these obstacles and thrive in the digital marketplace. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this content helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of e-commerce. Until next time, happy selling!